Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to place a limit order on interactive brokers step by step. I'll be using TWS, which is Trader Workstation. The process is the same in ibkr desktop with only minor visual differences. First, you need to locate the stock you want to trade in your watch list. If it's not already there, just type the ticker symbol, let's say AAPL for Apple, into the contract column. The row will populate with live bid and ask prices. Now, to initiate the order, click on the ask price if you're buying, or the bid price if you're selling. So for a buy order, find the asked column and click the price. You'll see an order entry row appear below the stock. This is where you'll build your order. Check the order type field. It should show LMT for limit. TWS defaults to limit orders, so you probably won't need to change this. But if it says anything else, click the drop-down and select LMT. Next, enter your quantity. Click in the quantity field and type the number of shares you want to buy or sell. The default is often 100 shares, but you can set this to whatever you need. Now, set your limit price. This is the maximum you're willing to pay for a buy, or the minimum you'll accept for a sell. Click in the limit price field and type your price. The field usually auto-populates with the current ask for buys or bid for sells, but you can change it to any price you want. If you want to adjust the time in force, click the TIF drop-down. The default is day, which means the order expires at the end of the trading session. If you want the order to stay active until it fills, or you manually cancel it, select GTC, that stands for Good Till Cancelled. Review the order details. Check the order type is LMT, confirm it's buy or sell, and verify your quantity, limit price, and time in force are correct. When everything looks good, click the Transmit button. In some versions of the platform, it might say Submit instead of Transmit, but it's the same thing. The order will appear in your Orders panel at the bottom of the screen. The status will change from Preview to Submitted. You'll see a color indicator next to it, typically blue or green. Once the order is submitted, it'll sit in the market until the price reaches your limit. For a buy order, that means the market needs to drop to or below your limit price. For a sell, it needs to rise to or above it. You can modify or cancel the order anytime before it fills by right-clicking it in the Orders panel and selecting Modify Order or Cancel Order. One quick note, if you get an order confirmation pop-up before it transmits, that's just a precautionary setting. You can turn that off in your preferences if you don't want to see it every time. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.